Drop this ear down. Oh. That was huge.
Oh,
look at that.
I gotta turn my head. That's crazy. That's amazing work. I ain't gonna lie. That feels better. It does.
There we go. All the way out. That way we can expand everything. How was that?
Different? Yeah, it was different. Yep, that was different. I'm trying not to cry because you're recording.
Why do you feel like you need to cry?
I don't even know. It's different emotions.
What do you think has been like the most frustrating part about dealing with everything?
Being normal. Like, you know, when you're young and then you just think you can do everything. But now when you get hit, I hit 30, that went downhill. 4 years of just rolling out, trying to keep up.
Yeah. How do you feel, man?
I feel a lot better.
That was good, all right?
Yep.